Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use memo in React.js. Let's start. Here I created a parent.js file and this is child.js file. I imported that child.js file here. I'm going to create a button and I'm going to create a function for that. I'm going to increment the value. Okay, yeah, button increment. Here I'm going to create on click. This is handle click and copy this. After that I'm going to create on state const. This is val set val. Here you state initial value is 0. After this I'm going to create a function for that button. Here I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Here I'm going to increment the value. I save this and I'm going to create a h1 tag here parent and this is val. Okay, save this and go to browser. Here I got result. If I click this button, here value is incrementing. I'm going to pass this value to child. Okay, I mean this folder, sorry, this file. Use that file here and yeah, here I'm going to pass this val. Okay, number and val. Okay, yeah, save this and go to child. Here I already initialized the props and I'm going to print here. Okay, this is props dot number. Save this and go to browser. Here if I click this button, here simultaneously increasing both the fields, sorry, both the values number. Okay, yeah, I'm going to use the memo here, memo, and click enter or click this. Okay, here memo is imported. I'm going to create a bracket here. I'm going to put that child in the memo. Okay, why we using memo means if the props values change, then the page is re-rendered, otherwise it will not re-render. I will show you. So after this I'm going to create a use effect. Here I'm going to create a console log. This is child render. Okay, and save this and yeah, here go to browser and right click and inspect. Go to console. Here it's already re-rendered. Okay, and if I click this button, here again it's re-rendering the component. Okay, here I'm just pass a string value here. Okay, this is just a string. Okay, and here it's unstring and I refresh this page. Here first time is child console is printed, and if I click this button, here value is incremented but child content is not re-rendered because we are not update the props. Again click this value, child is not re-rendered. Okay, and if I remove that string and save this and again click here, child is re-rendered. Okay, if I am not use memo means every time this value, I mean this component will get re-rendered. Here I am refreshing this page, child console is printed. Here if I click this button, this value is also incrementing, but I'm going to add a string here. Save this and I'm refreshing this page. Here child is re-rendered. Again clicking, yeah, re-rendered. Every time this page will get re-rendered. But if I'm using memo means this page will get re-rendered if the props is update. Okay, yeah, now it's not re-rendered. Yeah, this is what I try to tell in this video. Bye bye.